Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Paybis with the help of debit card. So first of all, come here on paybis.com, then log in into your account first. Now, when you log in, the dashboard is going to look something like this, where by default you will be on the exchange page. Now over here, make sure that the buy option is selected. Then you need to click on this drop down menu, then click on this arrow button over here, and you need to simply select your currency first. After selecting your currency, simply select the option of credit/debit card. Over here, you need to simply enter the amount of money that you want to spend in order to purchase your cryptocurrency. In the you receive section, make sure that the Bitcoin option is selected. If not, you can click on this drop down menu and you can select your desirable cryptocurrency from here. Since we want to purchase Bitcoin, I'm going to select Bitcoin. Now it is going to show you the equivalent amount of Bitcoin that you are going to receive and the amount that is basically used in order to purchase this. Then simply click on the option of buy Bitcoin. Now if this is your first buy, there is no fees that is going to be applicable on the transaction, which is a good thing. Now on the next page, you just have to first of all verify your identity if it is not already verified. After doing so, you just have to basically verify your details, and then you just have to review your details of payment. When the payment is done with the help of your debit card, you will be able to show that you have successfully done that. So that's how basically you can complete your payment with the help of the debit card. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.